sport compact cars for 2024-2023 Audi S6. In the fast-paced world of sport compact cars, the 2023 Audi S6 emerges as a formidable contender, seamlessly blending exhilarating performance with luxurious comfort and advanced technology. As a member of Audi's esteemed S lineup, the S6 represents the perfect synthesis of power, agility, and sophistication, setting a new standard for excellence in its segment. At the heart of the 2023 Audi S6 lies a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering a formidable 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S6 effortlessly translates its power into swift acceleration and responsive handling. Whether navigating city streets or conquering winding mountain roads, the S6 offers a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. But the S6 isn't just about performance, it also excels in providing luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. Inside the cabin, occupants are greeted with a meticulously crafted interior adorned with premium materials such as leather upholstery, wood trim, and aluminum accents. Advanced features such as Audi's MMI infotainment system, virtual cockpit, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system elevate the driving experience to new heights of sophistication and connectivity. In terms of design, the 2023 Audi S6 exudes an air of modern elegance and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, aggressive front grille, and signature LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The S6 upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by features such as 20-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and S-specific styling cues, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Safety is also a top priority in the 2023 Audi S6, with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features designed to provide added peace of mind on every journey. Technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking help to mitigate potential hazards and ensure a safe and enjoyable driving experience for both the driver and passengers. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi S6 represents the pinnacle of performance, luxury, and technology in the sport compact car segment. With its potent powertrain, refined interior, and advanced features, the S6 sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms Audi's commitment to delivering unparalleled driving experiences. Whether cruising along the highway or pushing the limits on the track, the S6 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.